It is really funny and very unwise as well how sometimes we think that we can live without guidance from our maker. Look, even a manufacturer of a given piece of machine, let us say
A flat iron, smartphone, steamer, anything.
he is entitled by law to include a user guide while packaging his good, to guide the user later on. Now, how can we even think that Allah can create man with all his complexities in his body anatomy, his surrounding, social life and transactions without guidance? We definitely need this guidance. Otherwise, we are doomed to spending all our entire lives searching for answers for questions like, where did we come from?
Or what is even our purpose?
And where are we going anyway? And actually, when you look right back at the start of mankind, when Allah created Adam and put him in Jannah, paradise, He told him, وَقُلْنَا يَا آدَمَ اسْكُنْ أَنْتَ
وزوجك الجنة وكلا منها رغدا حيث شئتما ولا تقربا هذه الشجرة فتكونا من الظالمين.
That was the law, that was the guide to help Adam and his wife and his partner on how to conduct themselves in the new world. Man is very complex to act without guidance. We definitely